A few years ago, I met someone who drove an old scratch sedan, wore plain clothes, and never spoke about money. No Instagram flex, no motivational quotes, no hustle posts. One day, by accident, I learned he owned multiple cash-flowing assets and had enough investments to live comfortably without working another day. What shocked me wasn't his wealth, it was his silence. That moment planted a question in my mind that most people never ask. Why do the truly wealthy hide in plain sight? If showing success actually made people rich, then social media would be full of financially free individuals. But it's not. So why do people who are winning quietly choose privacy over praise? Why do old money families, long-term investors, and financially independent individuals avoid attention like a liability? The mistake most people make today is confusing visibility with progress. They believe looking rich means becoming rich. In this video, we're going to flip that mindset completely. So stay till the end, because this isn't just about money, it's about identity. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's get into the reality. They treat information like equity, not entertainment. Here's a quiet truth most people miss. The richest people don't hide money first, they hide information. They know that what they're learning, planning, buying, or building is leverage, and leverage loses power the moment it becomes public. You don't lose wealth because of bad luck, you lose it because you leaked your strategy too early. Most people do the opposite. They announce raises, post new investments, share side hustles, and talk future plans at dinners like it's casual conversation. The employee who tells friends about a $20,000 bonus and suddenly feels obligated to upgrade their car. Another is the beginner investor who tweets about buying stocks, then panic sells when comments turn negative. Compare that to someone who stays silent, keeps dollar cost averaging into ETFs, lets compound growth work, and doesn't need emotional validation. Privacy protects focus. Focus protects consistency, and consistency is what turns 100,000 invested into 1 million over time. And what I'll show next builds on this, how silence doesn't just protect wealth, it multiplies it. Number 2, they stay invisible, so their lifestyle doesn't eat their wealth. The fastest way to feel richer is not upgrading your life when your income upgrades. Privacy matters because the moment people know you're earning more, spending quietly turns into spending performatively. A raise stops being a financial advantage and starts becoming a social obligation. The mistake people keep making is confusing comfort with success and visibility with progress. Oversharing income creates comparison. Comparison creates spending, and spending destroys long-term equity. That's how a person earning $150,000 still lives paycheck to paycheck while wondering why financial freedom feels impossible. Keep income details private. Decide lifestyle limits in advance, automate investing, and delay upgrades until they no longer change your future. As the psychology of money reminds us, wealth is what you don't see, cars not bought, trips delayed, status ignored. One comparing thought to lock this in: loud money buys approval, quiet money buys time. Privacy protects your spending discipline. Discipline protects your portfolio, and your portfolio is what ultimately buys freedom. And next, I'll show you why privacy also protects something more valuable than money: your decision-making quality. Number 3, privacy keeps you out of bad money conversations. Here's a truth no one likes admitting. Most people around you don't understand capital, but they're very confident giving advice. When your financial life is public, everyone becomes an analyst without understanding market volatility, risk-adjusted returns, or asset allocation. Private wealth avoids public opinions. High performers understand that bad advice doesn't always come from bad intentions. It comes from limited experience. That's why wealthy families often use private advisors, closed investment circles, and silent due diligence instead of public opinion. There's a reason hedge funds, family offices, and institutional investors operate behind closed doors. Not secrecy, focus. Ask yourself, how many financial decisions have you delayed or sabotaged because someone reacted emotionally to your plans? When money is private, execution improves. You stop explaining. You start compounding. Number 4, They build in silence because wealth is fragile before it's finished. Wealth doesn't fail at the finish line. It fails during the waiting period. Privacy matters because time is the most expensive ingredient in wealth creation, and noise shortens timelines. The moment you announce goals, people start watching results, not progress. That pressure forces rush decisions. Someone starts investing $500 a month but quits after 18 months because nothing visible happened. Someone launches a business, talks about it too early, and then changes direction every time feedback gets uncomfortable. As the psychology of money quietly teaches, compounding only works for people who survive boredom and delay. Most people underestimate how long wealth takes and overestimate how fast it should show. One comparing thought to remember: public progress demands speed, private progress rewards patience. Privacy buys you time, time fuels compounding, and compounding quietly turns ordinary incomes into extraordinary financial freedom. And this is only setting up the deeper reason why wealth actively avoids attention. And next, I'll show you why the truly wealthy don't hide money out of fear, but out of control. Number 5. They stay private because power doesn't need witnesses. If privacy were insecurity, the wealthiest decision-makers in the world wouldn't value it so deeply. Privacy matters because real power doesn't come from being seen. It comes from being unaffected. The moment you seek validation, you hand control of your decisions to the crowd. That's dangerous in money. People announce promotions, investment wins, or business ideas and suddenly feel forced to prove progress. The mistake most people make is assuming confidence needs an audience. Oversharing creates dependency. Dependency creates stress, and stress leads to bad financial behavior like lifestyle inflation, emotional trading, and short-term thinking. Keep money moves off social media, set private benchmarks, automate investing into index funds, and measure progress by net worth, not reactions. Most financially independent people look ordinary because their power comes from options, not attention. Insecurity needs applause. Power needs silence. Privacy protects autonomy. Autonomy fuels better decisions, and better decisions quietly compound into financial freedom. Number 6. Silence builds psychological wealth before financial wealth. Most people think wealth is only about numbers in a portfolio, but the quietly wealthy know something deeper. Money grows best in a calm mind. When your financial progress is private, your nervous system stays regulated. You are not constantly checking reactions, comparing timelines, or defending choices. Behavioral finance research shows that investors who reduce social comparison experience lower cortisol levels and make more rational decisions during market volatility. This directly improves long-term investing outcomes, especially during bear markets when emotional mistakes destroy compounding. Public money creates pressure. Every gain feels like it must continue. Every loss feels like failure. That emotional roller coaster leads to panic selling, impulsive stock trading, and abandoning long-term strategies like index funds, dividend-paying ETFs, or retirement portfolios at the worst possible time. Silence turns money into a tool, not a scoreboard. And once your mind is wealthy, your balance sheet eventually catches up. What comes next explains why silence doesn't just protect peace, it multiplies results invisibly. Number 7. Wealth compounds best when no one is watching. The most dangerous phase of wealth building is not the beginning. It's the middle, when progress is slow, boring, and invisible. This is where privacy becomes a superpower. When money is public, patience disappears. When money is private, time works for you. Invisible momentum is powerful. While others are showcasing lifestyle upgrades, private investors are increasing share count, strengthening portfolio diversification, and optimizing tax-efficient investing. Then one day, the gap becomes impossible to ignore. People call it luck. They don't see the years of silence that built it. Number 8. Privacy preserves optionality, the ultimate wealth advantage. The richest advantage money can give you is not luxury. It's optionality, the ability to say no, to pivot, to wait, and to move silently when opportunity appears. Privacy is what preserves that optionality. When your wealth is visible, your choices shrink. People start attaching expectations to your money, family obligations, social pressure, business favors, lifestyle assumptions. Your capital stops being flexible and starts being emotionally allocated. You are no longer free to sit on cash, exit quietly, or reposition your stock portfolio without explaining yourself. Quiet wealth stays liquid in every sense, not just financially, but psychologically. Ask yourself this uncomfortable question. If everyone knew your net worth today, would it increase your freedom or reduce it? Most people don't realize that visibility creates invisible contracts. Once people know what you have, they subconsciously decide what you should do with it. Privacy breaks those contracts before they ever form. This is why wealth loves privacy. Not to hide, but to stay free. Want more value-packed content like this? Then subscribe, and share this video to your dear ones. It's a small gesture that fuels massive impact. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.